Hi students, today we will discuss searching techniques. In those searching techniques especially we will discuss linear search. So now coming to first, what is meant by searching? Searching means finding. Searching means finding particular element, whether that is present in the array or not. For example, in daily life, for example, a class of students are there. Like they are sitting like this according to roll numbers. For example, 10, 18, 16, 25, 32, 9, 10, 42, 45, 49, 65. Like that, some roll number students are present in a class. Now I want to search for particular student roll number 16, whether 16 is present in the class or the roll number 16 is absent. That I want to find out. Absent is nothing but that element is not present in the class, or the roll number is not present in the class. So I want to search whether roll number 16 is present in the class or not. So search for the element present in the array. So for example, consider an array. For example, these are the elements present in the array, like 8, 7, 4, 3, 2. The positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, the elements are present in an array. Now I want to search for the particular element 4. Is 4 present or not? For example, I want to find out whether element 2 is it present or not. So that is nothing but here searching. Search for the particular element present in the array is called as searching simply. So there are different searching techniques are there, like linear search. One is linear search and another one is binary search. Another one is binary search. In this video, we will discuss how to search for an element by using linear search technique. That we will discuss in this video. Now, what is linear search technique? So, how the element is searched in an array. So, this linear search is also called as sequential search. This is also called as sequential search. Why the name sequential? Sequential means one after another. Sequential means one after another. That means we are searching one after another. That's why here it is called as a linear search. Then consider an example. For example, this is my array. The elements are present like this. Some 12, 8, 16, 9, 14. 0th position, 1st position, 2nd position, 3rd position and 4th position. Then I want to search for particular element like yearly equal to 9. Whether 9 is present or not. See, by seeing an array, we can see that 9 is present in 3rd position. But in a program or in an algorithm, how can we write the logic for linear search technique? So what I said, linear search. So we will search from starting position. We will compare the elements. So whether 9 is equal to 0th position element, 9 is equal to next position, 9 is equal to next position, 9 is equal to next position, 9 is equal to next position element. Like that we will compare sequentially. Please understand. So we are comparing the elements in sequential order. That's why the name here it is called as a sequential search. So sequentially means we will search for an element from 0th position. What is of 0 here? 12. 12 is not equal to 9. So then what we will do? We will go to the next position. That means increment. So for example, I is present here. So go to next position. Next position is here 8. So that means A of 1. A of 1 is nothing but 8. 8 not equal to 9. Go to next position. Go to next position. Next position is nothing but second position. So in the second position, what is the element? This is the position. What is the element present in second position? 16. 16 not equal to 9. Again go to next position. Next. Go to next position is nothing but a 3. What is the element present in third position? 9. Equal to 9. Yes, the element is present in the array. That here it is called as successful search. The element is present in the array, then it is called as a successful search. If the element is not present in the array, then it is called as unsuccessful search. Answer. That means here element is present. Here element is not present. Present means successful search, not present means unsuccessful search. Now, let us take another example. Example 2. Consider the array elements are like this. For example, 7, 4, 10, 12, 9, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to search for element 9. Then how can we search? First, starting from 0, which is nothing but I. So starting from A of 0. What is A of 0? 7. 0 is the position and this is the element present in the position. A of 0 is a 7. 7 not equal to 9. Then what shall we do? Go to next position. Next position means what? 1. So then A of 1. What is A of 1? 4. 4 not equal to 9. Again go to next position. Next position means now I equal to 2. Now second position. What is element present in second position? 10. 10 not equal to 9. Again go to next position. That means a 3. A of 3. A of 3 means 12. 12 not equal to 9. Go to next position. Next. Next position here it is 4. A of 4. A of 4. What is A of 4? 9. 9 not equal to 9 is equal to 9 equal to 9. So no need to go to next position. Here stop the process. Stop the process. 9 equal to 9. Stop the process. That means successful search, which means the element is present in the array. In which position here it is present? In fourth position. Now, how to write an algorithm, or what is the main logic involved in linear search? See, we are starting from 0. I generally will write the code in C language. So for I equal to 0. So we will search for the particular element up to last position I plus plus. Then we are comparing the elements. How can we compare? If A of I equal to element to be searched. If both are equal, then what does it mean? Element is present. Simple. And no need to go to the next position. Stop the process of going to the next position. So break. the element may not present in the array. That means you compared with all the elements and you reach to end of the array I equal to n. Then you can say that the element is not present in the array. This is the main logic involved. Now, hope you understand this linear search concept. If you have any doubt, you please give comments. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.